My mango has yogurt on it, Greek yogurt, so I'm not too worried. I'm not even going to rinse this out. I'm going to just mix the flavors. This was the papaya and the other one. Put my mango chunks in with the Greek yogurt. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to pour some of the dragon fruit juice in it. And then some of the tea. This is what my tea looks like. Oh, I know where the specks came from. It's the loose leaves that I had in my tea that has gotten away. Not too much. And I'm going to blend. Cover your ears. I'm running out of gelatin. I only had 1 pack. And actually I need to leave some so that when I optimize it, I'll have stuff to use. Oh, this looks so good. So good. Ooh. And if I like how it tastes, because I tried making it and I'd use, I think, xanthan gum and agar, but maybe I put the ratios were off. I did not like that. So hopefully using gelatin will be better. Oh, this looks so good. I'm going to put the remaining of the gelatin on it to bloom, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm going to bloom this. This I'm going to put to heat when it's time. Not going on evenly. The gelatin I'm using. Oh, it's made in Canada too. I don't know, was that intentional? Perhaps. I'm trying to buy Canadian. Sprinkled some over the surface of the mango puree, mango papaya puree, and I have some heating up a bit. Not the gelatin, but the mango papaya puree. Low heat. Lukewarm, not too hot. Mango. Okay, I need to find my whisk. The mango has lumps. Oh well. And I'm going to put it into my ice tray. See, it hasn't been set properly. All right. Hoping for the best. Uh-oh. Made a mess. Maybe it should have been a pack of gelatin. for each instead of sharing a pack for all of the other ones. But here we go. I'm hoping for the best.